Hey guys, welcome back to Me and You Garage. Today we have another COSTCO coupon return. We have the Fanttik cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. We're very excited to try this out because we have used the portable air inflator by Fanttik and it has done us pretty well. I'll include a link to the video in the corner there. Online it is $49.99 and in stores it is $39.99. So it's a great deal, it seems, for a portable handheld vacuum cleaner. And let's go to the unboxing. Here it is. Ooh, it comes with a carrying case. So these are all the accessories that the Fanttik vacuum comes with. These are the vacuuming accessories, and then these look like the blowing accessories, charging and cleaning. So right now it is on a full charge. We are going to test it out to see how long it actually lasts. The box says it should last 30 minutes. If you are like us and have kids, your car may look like this and have dust and crumbs and whatever, you have it everywhere. So you push it, you have to hold it to turn it on, and it looks like there's two different speed modes. Do you think I can get this thing, this huge thing? This is without any brush head right now. Whoa, sucked it right up. Let's try this brushing guy. Ooh. Cheetos, hot Cheetos. Now let's try, well, I'm even trying to suck this guy up. Let's try this crevice thing and get into these crevices. Bam, okay. Try these crevices. Ooh. Pretty powerful. Oh, so it indicates this is higher powered and lower powered. What is this multi-surface? Is like for like when you want to do like the seat? Yeah, okay, flatter areas. Ooh. Suction's good. Ew-wee. Yeah, so we obviously just left this for demonstration purposes for the Fanttik. It's not normally like this. Okay. Look at all that stuff we got. Big, small, medium pieces. Okay, so we've got a release latch here. Ooh, there. Easy. Just pops open like that. We just got done vacuuming the back seat. That is the area that has the most dust and debris for us. It worked pretty well. It has 2 speeds and all the attachments worked for our different areas of needs. Now we are going to test out the blow function. You have to remove this to do so. And these pieces attach here. How does this attach here, sir? Back to the instruction manual. So once you remove the dust cap portion, so it attaches to the back. All right, so we just tighten it here, and now you got a little blower. All right, so again, this was left here for demonstration purposes. Our cars are usually not this sturdy. We left it just to test this out. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is high power. Whoa. Flying off the wing. Whoa. Oh, whoa. So the blow function worked really well. Nice attachments that it comes with as well. Nice bonus feature. And it comes with 2 more bonus features, which it's supposed to inflate and deflate. You can use it for kids' toys, camping beds. That's pretty cool. And you can use it as a fan, Fanttik. And we're fans of the Fanttik. A hot day. All right, so we just got done vacuuming the car. It has lasted us just about 30 minutes and we still have 1 bar left. It's a nice tool to keep in your trunk or your trunk. Very portable, easy to charge, lightweight, compact. Thank you again, COSTCO, for finding us another great product to test out. We are fans of the Fanttik. This is going to be another COSTCO keep for us. It's going to be going into our frunk. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, it does help out the channel, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. See you in the next one.